Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of fast-selling woodworking project ideas to make money as a woodworker. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking is an art that has captivated artisans and hobbyists for centuries. It provides an endless range of projects that can be crafted with skill, creativity, and precision. Among the many reasons people turn to woodworking, one of the most significant is the potential to create fast-selling projects. Whether for profit or for personal satisfaction, crafting products that can be made quickly yet yield good returns can be incredibly rewarding. In this video, we will talk about how woodworking enthusiasts can make a name for themselves in the market. We will focus on projects that are not only relatively simple and quick to make or to produce, but also highly sought after by customers. We will dive into the factors that contribute to the marketability of such products. We will also explore how you can take advantage of trends, materials, and craftsmanship to create items that sell fast. Woodworking projects that are fast-selling often share several characteristics. One of the most crucial factors is the accessibility of the materials needed to create the product. For a project to be profitable, the cost of raw materials should be relatively low. This means using common affordable wood such as pine, cedar, or plywood. These materials are easily accessible in most areas, which reduces the initial cost and time spent sourcing them. Additionally, using these types of wood often means that the woodworking process will be quicker. This is because these woods are easier to cut, shape, and finish. Here on this channel, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to the material being used for these fast-selling woodworking projects, the next key element is its simplicity. While intricate designs and highly detailed furniture pieces certainly have their place, they typically require more time to complete. They may also be harder to sell quickly. Simpler designs, on the other hand, tend to appeal to a broader audience. Items such as small home decor, practical tools, and useful household accessories are often in high demand. This is because they are functional and serve a specific purpose. By keeping the design straightforward, you can increase the likelihood of crafting something that will sell faster. There are also external factors to consider when determining what woodworking projects might sell quickly. For example, the current trend in interior design, seasonal needs can significantly affect the demand for certain items. Therefore, we need to follow trends and make market analysis when deciding on which type of fast-selling woodworking projects we want to tackle. During the holiday season, people tend to buy handcrafted ornaments, rustic home decor, and other personalized items. Conversely, in the warmer months, items like garden planters, birdhouses, or outdoor furniture may see a spike in sales. Staying attuned to these fluctuations can help you create products that are more likely to be in demand at any given time. Another factor that contributes to fast-selling woodworking projects is their versatility. Items that can serve multiple functions can be customized in various ways and tend to have broader appeal. For instance, A simple wooden box can be turned into a storage unit, a gift box, or even a decorative piece. This depends on the finishing touches and modifications you apply on the product. Versatility allows consumers to see the product as something that can fit a variety of needs or aesthetics. This increases the likelihood of a quick sale. One of the most important aspects of creating fast-selling woodworking projects is ensuring quality craftsmanship. While the projects we are discussing here are relatively simple, the execution must still be of high quality. Otherwise, your products will not be accepted in the market. A well-crafted item not only looks better, but also functions better. This will encourage word-of-mouth sales and repeat business. People appreciate durable products, especially when they are buying them as gifts or for their homes. This level of craftsmanship doesn't require advanced skills or complex techniques. Instead, it involves paying attention to details, using the right tools, and taking time to properly finish each piece. Pricing is another critical consideration when it comes to selling woodworking projects quickly. In order to make a profit, you must take into account the cost of materials. You must also consider the time invested in crafting the item. Any other associated expenses such as packaging, shipping, and marketing should also be considered. While it is important to price your work competitively, it's equally crucial not to undervalue your time and expertise. Proper pricing can attract a wide range of customers. Building a brand around your woodworking projects can also play a role in how quickly you can sell your creations. Establishing an online presence through social media platforms, creating a website, or utilizing marketplaces like Etsy can help you reach a broader audience. Online platforms allow you to showcase your work, connect with potential buyers, and advertise sales or promotions. Word of mouth and online reviews can be powerful tools in helping your woodworking business grow. This is why it's important to ensure that every customer has a positive experience. One of the most appealing aspects of woodworking is that it allows for a high degree of creativity and individuality. Even in simple, fast-selling projects, adding a personal touch or unique design can make a product stand out from similar items on the market. For instance, custom engravings or a unique paint finish can add a level of personalization that appeals to customers. People are often willing to pay a little extra for something that feels unique or made just for them. By offering these personalized touches, you can create a competitive edge that makes your product more desirable. Marketing is another important consideration when it comes to selling woodworking projects properly or quickly. While social media is an excellent tool for showcasing your work, it's essential to understand how to reach the right audience. Targeting people who appreciate handmade or unique woodworking items is key to make fast sales. This can be done by advertising in places where these individuals are likely to shop, such as online artisan markets, local craft fairs, or home decor stores. Building a network with other artisans or home designers can also help spread the word about your work. Networking with local businesses such as coffee shops, bookstores, or boutiques can help you get your products in front of customers who may not have discovered them otherwise. To further increase the appeal of your woodworking projects, it's important to consider packaging and presentation. The way an item is presented can greatly influence how quickly it sells. Customers often make snap decisions based on first impressions. Packaging can be simple yet elegant, adding to the overall perception of value. Even if the product is small, thoughtful packaging can elevate the customer experience. It can make the item feel more like a special purchase. As with any type of business, consistency is key when it comes to making fast sales. Developing a recognizable style or signature design can help you build a loyal customer base. Whether it's a particular type of finish, a specific set of products, or a consistent theme, having a cohesive brand identity will make it easier for potential buyers to remember your work. Once you have built a reputation for high quality, fast selling projects, word will spread. You may find that sales become more consistent over time. Well, dear viewers, there you have our hand-picked fast-selling woodworking project ideas to make money as a woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.